In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily autoplay videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu. Then tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy. And after that, scroll down a bit until at preferences section, you will find this media option. We need to get into it first. And that's where we can easily find this autoplay section. And here we are looking for the option never autoplay videos. So guys, first off, we need to make sure it is not enabled if we would like to turn autoplay on. So unfortunately, we cannot just disable it. However, we can easily switch it to on Wi-Fi only or on mobile data and Wi-Fi, just like that. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily turn autoplay videos on. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.